He's gonna unload his boat and put it in on. Look at this.
Here's that belt would break right now.
Oh, that'd be terrible. They're gonna walk by you. That's all right.
What do they charge you to do that? $30. $30?
Yeah.
That's not bad.
That ain't bad.
Not gonna take the truck over? Yeah. And just park it on the street along the curb. On the street? Yeah. After the cement block.
So it's letting it in very slowly because it's gone such a, it can't move very fast because it has so much
Yeah.
power it has to lift, but it can't move very fast.
Don't worry, I won't hit the block. Please.
You won't do what?
He won't hit the blocks.
Oh. You see that?
Brought it right over to the
Dog.
dock there, didn't he?
Yeah.